What's going on, guys? It's your least favorite YouTuber, and I'm here today to bring you a brand new video. And in this video, it's going to be a DIY how to make a Pop-Tart. So guys, if you guys do not know how to make a Pop-Tart, well, congratulations, it's your lucky day. So you're going to need three things. Number one, a toaster. Doesn't matter what kind of brand it is. Number two, a Pop-Tart. Doesn't matter what brand it is. Number three, a plate or whatever. And yeah, guys, it's pretty simple. So let's get it started, guys. So yeah, guys. So as you can see, I got my own toaster. Yeah, guys, I got my own toaster. So first thing you guys need to do. So you get your Pop-Tart. You open it up. Yeah, you open up your Pop-Tart. Then it's gonna look like something like this. So guys, step number dos. You put your Pop-Tart in one of these, or it doesn't matter which one. Since I'm left-handed, I'm gonna do left. And here, guys, this part is up to you. So you see like these little knobs? It's like it'll show you like how much you want it. So like one, like you don't want it like toasted, and like 7 being like you want it like a lot. And yeah, guys, so for me, I'm gonna do a 3.5. And then so another step is you see this little thing right here, you need to put it down. And then when this thing is done, I'll catch up to you guys, okay? Alright guys, so this thing shouldn't last that long anymore. Oh, there it is. So hey guys, that's what you need to do if you want a perfect Pop-Tart. And so guys, grab your plate, like so. Put it right in front of the toaster. Make sure you don't get burnt. Yeah guys, make sure you don't get burnt. Just put it right there. And boom guys, you can just smell it. Last thing you need to do is you grab your plate and you just walk it over. You just walk it over, guys. You just sit and you just watch SpongeBob. And yeah guys, hope you guys enjoy, comment, subscribe, and peace out.